Hi, this is Set to IVO Media Channel. I'm Purinya Watana Parada. I'm an electrical engineer, and you are on the right place if you want to know about the electrical and electronics. Hit the red subscribe and the bell button, and let's begin. I've got this third generation 1989 Honda Prelude since 2010. She needs a lot of maintenance, but how to diagnose and separate the fault easily? I put the LED lights into the injector resistor box to indicate the injector operation. This is the injector resistor for the Honda Prelude. This injector resistor module has 4 resistors that one side are connected in common. On the other side, distributed to each injector coil. This is an LED light. I would like to put some indicator to show the injector system working or not by putting some LED light into this module. 4 of these lights will indicate the injector current. That means they will show the injector operation. This resistor will be connected in series with the LED light to limit the voltage across the LED lights. Otherwise, the LED lights will blow off. I am using the resistor value 270 ohm that connected in series with the LED light. I have to drill 4 holes on this cover plate first, and then I will put the LEDs on the front lower side of this cover. Make sure it's not obstruct with something. The LED head diameter is around 5 mm, so I will drill a small hole from the outside first. Make sure the holes are on the line and even the cap. Then change the drill bit to 5 mm diameter. Now we have 4 holes. Rim the edge to get rid of all the sharp metal. The LED light has the polarity. The leg at the cutting edge is the negative or cathode. You can check at the legs that there is a short and a long leg. The longer leg is the positive polarity. I will put the LEDs into the holes by turning the longer legs on the top and glue them. Leave them dry for an hour. I'll come back again to connect the resistor. Link the common, then connect the LED resistor to the injector resistor. I decided to put a resistor inside the sleeve and put a heat shrink tube for insulation the connection. Bring the heat shrink to the wire by soldering iron. Now we got 5 wires, 1 for the common and 4 for each injector. I need to connect the LED cover to the resistor. But before I do this, I need to know the sequence of resistor terminals. At this stage, I will leave these wires with the full length. And when I test it, I will know which wire connected to which injector. After that, I can cut the wires shorter. Now we test each unit to identify the number of the injectors on the LED. This is the injector terminal that's connected to the control unit. The control unit operates the injectors by switching on and off the injector circuits to the ground or negative polarity. So I can simulate these switches by pitching them to the ground, and you can hear the injector sound like click click. This is the injector number 2. This is number 3 and number 4. So for the order from right to left side, the number 3 and number 4 are swapped. But in fact, I would like to run the LED continuously with the engine ignition sequence. The sequence is 1, 3, 4, 2. In summary, I have to swap the second one and the last one. I have to swap the second one and the last one. Put a sequence sticker on the front cover. Keep all these wires inside here. Make sure that all the wires are secure inside. Now we have the injector resistor with the LED lights to show the injector operation and to diagnose the injector system problem. Reinstall the injector resistor unit back in its place. I will start the engine and let's see how the indicator lights work. The LED lights are running from left to right with a sequence of 1, 3, 4 and 2. Now you can see the injector sequence and you can diagnose the engine problem easier than before. I hope this video might help you guys who love to keep the Honda Prelude healthy and still running on the public roads, which is my intention too. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. If you enjoy the video, give me a like and make sure you subscribe to the HH2IVO Media channel and hit the bell button so you can get notified in any of the video. And if you have any question, please leave a comment in the section below and I will see you on the next video. Thank you.